Do you want to create these kind of AI generated photos? So this is Kushprit Kaur and this is my YouTube channel. You can see the content of English over there in my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will discuss that how you can generate these kind of images. We can use Google Gemini to use these kind of images. So let's see how to use it. So firstly, in your Chrome, just type Google Gemini and open the website of Google Gemini. Here I open the Google Gemini and you just click the first link, that is Google Gemini, and here you can see Ask Gemini 3. Here you have to write a prompt that I provide you in comment box, and you have to click over here in thinking option and you have to write your topic and the audience age and just click on the generate option and you will see that Google Gemini will generate the topic. It will generate all the introduction of the topic, that how you can easily learn that topic. I provide a topic of tenses in English and you can see that how easily it provide all the data that is related to tenses. And after that we have the second step. I have a second prompt. I will provide you this prompt also in comment box, and after that you have to use tool, that is generate images. So here create image and just submit the data and we will see that Google Gemini created the images. And here you can see this photo, English tenses, a time machine for sentences. You can easily download the image from over there, and here is the best way through you can generate your handwritten notes. So this is my YouTube channel. Let's try another video. I have a video that is quiz on tenses. I just simply copy the URL and we will paste it in Google Gemini and create images. I copy the link and we will just simply paste this link and click on the submit option and you will see that Google Gemini detailed my video. It generated all the data that is I explained in this video, and you can see how beautifully it organized all the data. And you will see also the link of my video, and I will write second prompt. Now through the second prompt we will generate handwritten notes. You can see that Google Gemini created the handwritten notes. In this way you can create as many handwritten note images as you want. The most important thing, it's AI, so AI can make mistakes, so use it wisely.